Union Puppet Museum has been registered as historic buildings in Union County. Only 700 square meters, Union Puppet Museum is a building with tremendous momentum in Wu-Wei.
The establishment of Union Puppet Museum demonstrated the history and development of puppetry and identified the art of traditional puppetry. And this day, Red Riding Hood with her friends and the wolf are planning to visit this museum.
Hey, Red Riding Hood, where can we spend our holiday in Wu-Wei tomorrow?
I don't know. Maybe we can go to somewhere meaningful to cultivate our knowledge of culture.
Oh, let me think about it.
How about go to the Museum of Golf Puppetry? I'm really interested in that museum.
Sounds great. Can I invite my friends to come with us? My friends are interested too.
Of course you can.
Yeah, I will call them tonight and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, Red Riding Hood, these two guys are my friends.
Hi, my name is Rebecca. Hi, I'm Joanne.
Nice to meet you guys too. Hey, I'm so excited now. So let's go in to have fun.
Yay!
Okay, we are ready. I'm so excited. Let's go. Go.
I don't know exactly, but before I come here, I had already someone to give us introduction. That's Alice.
Wow, that's welcome the Alex.
Hello, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. I'm here today to introduce the history to you. In fact, when I was a senior high school student, I did a lot of research on puppetry, so I think I'm suitable to be your guide.
Oh, good. Thanks for your coming. We will pay attention to your guidance.
It was famous in 20th century, and people also watch it on TV. However, there are many divisions such as the North Club puppetry and the South Club puppetry.
So, do you know the foundation of this museum?
Yes, of course. The origin of this museum was the police department, and now it's constructed to be this puppetry museum. And sorry that I have some personal meeting to deal with. I must go. Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.
There are so many puppet roads here.
Hey guys, look, this is the Arch Immortals crossing the sea. They are 李铁拐、汉钟离、李洞宾、张国老、